Myself, Uday Som. I'm a BTech 2019 batch CSE and I did my specialization in AI. Currently, I'm working in Hyderabad, a company named Cambridge Technology. So when I applied at NIIT, it was the only institution which showed interest in me. Like most of the times we are the students who are chasing universities to find the best perfect universities with best perfect average placement and salaries and all those things. So NIIT was one of the few universities which reached out to me once I applied to their portal. So that's why I came to become an enthusiast, and then I visited the campus. The campus was so green and fabulous. There are many memories in my campus, but one of the main memories which I can think of as of now is hanging out with my friends at Nescafe and having a single dip chai.